Hello guys! In this video we are test all weapons and new classes. The problem is that most weapons and classes are pay to win, and I don't want to spend money on Robux. Also, my last video reached almost 5k views and 51 likes. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting my videos. The only problem is that this video might not turn out very well because my editing app isn't working. I'll have to use CapCut, which I personally don't like, so I think this video may not be as good as the others. Hopefully by next Saturday, my editing app will be working again. Otherwise, I'll have to keep using CapCut. Anyway, enjoy watching the video and let's get started.